Welcome back to the LangChain tutorial series. In our last video, we covered conversation buffer memory, which maintains full context. Today, we tackle the token limit challenge head-on with conversation summary memory. In this tutorial, we will be implementing a custom summary-based memory class. This method intelligently compresses old conversation history into a concise summary, allowing our agent to maintain context in very long conversations while dramatically reducing token usage and cost. As before, we start by installing the core packages: LangChain, the LangChain Groq connector, and python.env. Next, the setup. We import the necessary message types, configure our environment to access the Groq API, and initialize the Groq LLM with a highly capable model like Llama-3.3-70B-Versatile. We are now ready to implement our custom memory class. Here is the core logic. We define our SummaryMemory class. It holds a list of recent messages and a running summary string. The magic happens in _summarize_old_messages. When the message list exceeds our defined max messages, which we set to 4, this method takes the oldest messages, uses the LLM to generate a progressive summary of them, and then replaces the old messages with the new, concise summary as a system message. This massively shrinks the overall context length. After initializing the SummaryMemory object, we define a helper function, chat. This function abstracts the conversation flow. It adds the user input to memory, constructs the prompt using the memory's context, which now includes the running summary, invokes the chain, and then adds the AI's response back to the memory. Now, let's run a long conversation. Pay close attention to the console output. Messages 1 and 2 are exchanged. But after the third message, the print statement appears: summary updated. This indicates that the conversation history had reached the limit, and the LLM successfully condensed the first 3 messages into a single, compact summary to save tokens for the next interaction. Let's inspect the current memory state. Notice that the message list only contains the last 2 interactions. The earlier information, the user's name and profession, is now stored in the summary field. This proves that we are no longer passing every single message, only the summary and the most recent few. Finally, we test the agent's contextual awareness by asking, "What am I building?" Since the answer, "a recommendation system for an e-commerce platform," was in the summarized part, the agent successfully pulls the information from the summary and provides an accurate contextual response. In conclusion, conversation summary. Memory is an elegant solution for building scalable, long-running conversational agents. It's perfect for scenarios where you prioritize token efficiency over recalling every single word spoken.